Are you sacrificing sleep like it's your annoying ex? You're not alone. Modern life is so fast-paced that people have started treating sleep like it's optional. Like pineapple on pizza. Yeah, we said it. Doctors still recommend a solid 8 hours of sleep a night, preferably the uninterrupted kind, not the woke up to check Instagram at 2 a.m. variety. Sleep is crucial. Without it, your heart works overtime, your stress skyrockets, and your ability to remember where you left your keys, gone. Now, most of us agree, sleep is important, but that doesn't mean we're good at it. Stress, bad diets, too much screen time, and zero exercise are a perfect recipe for tossing and turning like a rotisserie chicken. But hey, don't reach for those prescription sleep pills just yet. There's a gentler, natural solution you might be overlooking: essential oils. That's right. The same little bottles your aunt swears by can actually help you sleep better, without any side effects or strange dreams involving talking squirrels. First things first, get yourself a good diffuser. One that shuts off automatically is best. You do not want your room smelling like a perfume factory at 3 a.m. because you forgot to turn it off. If yours doesn't auto shut off, just set a timer or a reminder, unless you like waking up in a lavender fog. Now for the main act, the best essential oils for sleep. We've rounded up some top contenders. Lavender, the goat of essential oils. Great for calming anxiety and prepping you for dreamland. Roman chamomile, basically a warm hug in oil form, known to help reduce stress and combat insomnia. Ylang ylang, exotic and floral. Perfect if you're dealing with panic attacks or feel like your brain won't shut up. Bergamot, a citrus oil that doesn't energize you. For once. Smells amazing, chills you out even more. Marjoram, sounds like a spice, because it is, but it's a sleep aid superstar. It even helps lower blood pressure. Just store it in a dark place. It's shy around light. Quick tip, only buy high-quality oils. This isn't the time to cheap out. Your sleep depends on it. And if diffusers aren't your thing, toss a few drops in a warm bath and let the stress melt off you like butter on toast. In a nutshell, essential oils are concentrated natural substances distilled from various parts of plants. They contain the plant's scent and flavor, offering potential therapeutic benefits when inhaled or applied. These oils aren't your typical sleep aids. They come from natural sources like plants and flowers, and are packed with beneficial compounds. They're highly concentrated, so a little goes a long way. Now let's talk about how to use these oils. Diffusion is the most common method. Using a diffuser, you can spread the oil's aroma throughout the room, creating a relaxing atmosphere. Alternatively, you can add a few drops to your bathwater for a soothing experience. Always dilute essential oils before applying them topically to your skin. While essential oils are generally safe, here are a few things to keep in mind. Always do a patch test on your skin before applying it topically. Some oils can cause skin irritation. If you're pregnant, nursing, or have a medical condition, consult your healthcare provider before use. And never ingest essential oils unless under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Essential oils can play a part, but they're not a magic bullet. For instance, lavender oil's calming effect might help, but it won't replace addressing the source of your anxiety. Similarly, while chamomile is great for relaxation, it won't fix an underlying sleep disorder. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit. And if you'd like more content like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Sweet dreams.